Hello everybody, how y'all doing? It's me. So what I'm doing today is I'm showing you my bathroom, and I've been slowly doing stuff to it, try to get it the way I want it. This cabinet was actually over here. I just bought that shelf so I can get some little bins. This is not going to be here. It's just what I had at first for all my hair supplies, my shower caps, and just little stuff. Place to put my makeup. So I have bought this previously to put supplies on, but it's not holding as well as I want it to, and how messy it looks because stuff falls through the cracks, which I can get something to probably put in there to give it a little bit more leverage. But my ultimate goal is to take that stuff along with that stuff that's just sitting up there, and that stuff, which is all hair supplies, get some bins and totes and separate the stuff and put it in bins up on that shelf, up underneath there, make it a little bit more organized. And this is going to be my project. So this is my bathroom, and this is my confirmations. You're going to make a better decision today. You can do it if you try. No never hurts anyone. Someone will eventually say yes, and that rejection may be a blessing. Do it now and not later. Remain positive, think positive, be positive. Those are my words that most people know me by. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off, and hopefully I'll be back by the next week. I'm looking for some bins now to put that I can use to store at least 3 to 1 shelf, maybe a little deep, so I can fit more stuff in there. This stuff right here is a lot of my wigs and hair and products, ponytails, hot irons and curling irons, and I even have one of those brushes that's supposed to use for flat ironing. Let's see. See, I don't know if I even use this, but I need a home for all this stuff. So signing off, back off on my confirmations, and you guys have a lovely day. I will be back.